both as a diagnostic and treatment tool. Chemistry departments in hospital, medical labs analyze blood, urine, etc. for proteins, sugars, and other metabolic and inorganic substances. Electrolyte tests are routine blood analysis testing things like potassium and sodium. Most medicators are involved with inhibiting a specific enzyme, the expression of a gene. Since enzymes are proteins, their functions differ based on a shape and inhibitor drugs must be customized for each target enzyme. This requires chemistry. Without chemistry, we would not know anything about plants and herbs, which result in the development of medications. Not have medications, that is pharmacology, not be able to study the chemistry of blood, not be able to use anesthesia during surgery, and not understand how chemotherapy works or develop chemical forms of cancer treatment.
The chemistry in the war is about the military weapons. The chemical weapons, their use is so different. One example is the nuclear weapon. It doesn't have an explosive or destructive force. The weapons began in the First Global War with Germans. They began with the chlorine gas. After that, they invented the mustard gas, which is liquid and they affect the lungs, the skin, and the eyes. And the chemical weapons contain the choking agents, cyanidins, nerve agents, and glycerides.
One solution we can take is to stop contaminating our planet. Contamination damages our ozone layer, which protects us from the sunlight. If we stop contaminating, then there's gonna be no damage on the ozone layer, and it's gonna still protect us from the sun. Which means that the polar ice caps are not gonna melt. Another solution we can take is to drive as little as possible. We may use bicycle or walking, because when we drive, cars also contaminate the planet, and it means more pollution for the planet. So if we walked or take the bicycle, or even if we use the bus, that helps to the planet and helps to the melting polar ice caps. My personal opinion of chemistry is that it's very important because we use it in our daily life, like when we cook or when we wash the dishes, even when we take a bath, because we use soap made of oils and a lot of chemical things. And well, in one word, chemistry is the base of our life, because without it we will be nothing, and we will have nothing than we have nowadays, like technology and everything we used. Thank you.
My personal conclusion is that everything is involved with chemistry, and without it, we basically don't know nothing. So it's very important to understand it and make with it the best to our world. Thank you.